If you want to go ahead and then showcase out the images that you have in Lightroom, then what you can actually do is generate out a booklet as needed. So to do that, you need to go around over here. So I'm in library view, as you can see, and I got the collection of pictures right here. So now what I can do is go around onto the book module for that right here. So once you go around onto book module, you will be able to see all of the images that you have right here in the collection, just like this, as you can see in a standard mode right here, just like this. So now what you want to do is, let's say for example, change around the preferences of how this images are actually displayed. Then what you can actually do is go around onto the book menu for that, and then go around onto book preferences right here. Then over here the preferences opens up, and here you can see the default layout option, as you can see right here. So you can zoom into fit right here as you want, and start the new book by autofilling as well, and fill the text boxes right here with filler text right here and so forth. So you can go ahead and change this around to however you like. Like you can also fill it up with caption metadata right here and so forth right here, and constrain the caption to text safe area as you want as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can go ahead and zoom to fill or zoom to fit right here accordingly, and everything will change out right here. And once you go ahead and do that, all of the pictures right here will be arranged out accordingly right here. And then this is what you have. And as we move along the course now, we're going to see how we can actually go ahead and work around with different options that we have right here. For example, over here you can see that there's book settings right here, and right now there's a standard landscape right here. But you can also go around over here onto large landscape right here, just like this, and change the size and relay out everything. And then what happens is that the layout changes out accordingly. The adjustment has been made, as you can see right here. The cover is hardcover image wrap, but you can go for dust jacket right here, just like this as well, to have this type of an image, as you can see right here. So you can also go ahead and choose the paper type right here for your book. So you can go ahead and choose specific paper type as needed. Then you can see that you even have the estimated price according to it right here. So there's the logo page. You can turn it off and on as you need right here. And that's how you can work around with book setting as well. And you can even see the estimated price for it right there. So this is one of the options that you can work with. And as we move along, we're going to work around with other sections as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.